How to hide or unhide Instagram Reel video from your profile grid. Before we get started, open your App Store and make sure that your Instagram application has been updated to the latest version. Now open your Instagram application on your mobile device and click on the profile section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Your profile will be displayed on the screen. As you can see, I have 4 different reels here on my profile. You have to simply select the reel that you would like to hide from your profile grid. Simply tap on the 3 dots at the top of your reel, and here you will find an option of remove from profile grid. Simply tap on it and you will be able to hide the Instagram Reel video from your profile. You can find the hidden reel on the reel section of your profile. Now, to unhide the reel from the Instagram profile, simply tap on the reel that was previously hidden. Simply tap on the 3 dots at the bottom and select Manage. Now tap on the Add to Profile Grid, and your reel will now be displayed on your profile grid. And that's it. This is how you can hide or unhide your Instagram reel from your profile grid. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.